Howdy everyone! Want to show offers in a smarter and faster way? Notification X got you covered. Now you can design a notification bar with AI and get started with your sales campaigns within minutes. Let's see how. Before getting started, make sure you have installed and activated Notification X and Notification X Pro on your WordPress website. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to the Notification X dashboard and click on the Add New button. Give a name for your notification. From the notification type, select Notification Bar. Then click on the Next button. From the theme, you will find the Notification Bar presets, Custom Notifications, and the Build with AI option. Select the Build with the AI tab. Next, after clicking the drop-down menu, you will find the prompt suggestion for urgency or FOMO, offer, social proof, promotion, and announcement. Select your preferred option and click on the Insert this prompt button. Set the number of notification bars you want to generate and then click on the Send icon. You will see that AI built 4 different variations of the notification bar based on your inserted prompt. Select your preferred one. From the advanced design, you can choose a different background color, upload an image, select text color, customize the link button, typography, and more. After clicking on the Next button, you can customize the counter settings with the starting and ending times of the notification bar. Then, by clicking on the Next button, control the visibility of your notification bar. Next, you can customize the appearance, select different animations, set up the targeting and timing options, and select the user behavior. After getting done with all the options, click on the Publish button to make the notification live. Now you will see the AI-generated notification is live on your website. It's that simple. Did you like the video? Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.